Yo, welcome back to the TheCrx. I'm gonna remove everything that I could, which is gonna be like the front sway bar, this little firewall cover here, maybe the hood latches here. I'll be removing the rearview mirrors here. Just gonna put the spindles back on, so it could be a roller. I'm not gonna put the coil lowers on, just the spindles, the lower control arms. Probably gonna take off this rear bracket too as well, and as much more as I can. All right, let's get to it. I'm going to remove the front calipers. All right, it's been about 30 minutes. I just finished installing the spindles, the lower control arm, and the rack. I did it on both sides. It's just so I could have a roller. Alright, to remove the back motor mount, yeah, it's pretty hard. So this is what I use. I use an adapter from a 3/8 to a quarter. Then I use an extension that has a wobble fit in the front. Then a wobble, it's a wobble quarter right here. And a short socket 6-point quarter as well. Watch, let me put it together to show you guys what it is. So this is the socket with the extension wobble. See that? That's going to be my setup to remove the rear motor mount. Pretty much stripping the engine bay already. As you can see, I took off a lot of the grommets and the holders. So let's continue to the back now. I'm almost done with the car. I'm gonna put those onto here and just have it as a roller. I just gotta remove the quarter panel glass and the hatch. Door latches too. I'm gonna remove the door latch, the quarter panel glass, and the rear hatch. But that's gonna be for the last video. I'm pretty much done with it. It's gonna go to the scrap yard. Some guy's gonna pick it up in a tow truck. He's gonna take it. He's gonna scrap it. Alright, thank you guys for stopping by. Make sure you guys double tap that screen and subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.